Subscribe my channel. Our favor also. Show our viral eye makeup free me visiting my channel. You will find lots of informative or viral eye makeup, smoky eyes makeup, soft eyes makeup tutorials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Girls are very fond of makeup and also boys are fond of makeup, so you can go to my makeup. My channel name is Saint, so you can visit this channel. All kinds of eyes makeup will be found. Eyes makeup tips. Nature has given us a different kind of eyes like small, emerging, and the strander. If properly done makeup for beautiful eyes, you can become the mistress of eye makeup. For the first time to take precautions to buy cosmetics, do not ever play in your eye cosmetics. Let us talk about individual eye shape and choose the makeup tips. Deep eyes makeup tips. Strand. Eyes that look inward and brow bone. The bone between the eyes and eyebrows are less prominent, so make do. So bulging eyes look fine. Subdued light pink or beige shadow on the eyelids and eyes. Upper line crease on the side of the light. Subscribe now. Eyeshadow medium toned brow and brow bone. Starting from the show more content. It seems to be very few seem to have the eyes, therefore it is also necessary that the eye makeup look a little cautious. Slept, or C may not be visible. Drug matter neutral color on the inner half of the eyelids and keep eyeshadow. Choose a darker color on the part of its surroundings, but it should not outskirts. Avoid the use of dark,